Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q3 versus Subaru Forester. We'll explore how these two popular compact SUVs stack up against each other. The Audi Q3 is known for its luxury appeal and premium features, while the Subaru Forester emphasizes rugged capability and everyday practicality. Both vehicles comfortably seat 5 passengers, but they cater to different priorities and budgets, which we will delve into. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q3 typically offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, producing around 228 horsepower, paired with standard quattro all-wheel drive. The Subaru Forester, on the other hand, comes with a 2.5-liter boxer engine, delivering about 180 horsepower, and also features standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. The Forester also boasts a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for light off-road adventures. Inside, the Audi Q3 presents a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, an 8.8-inch or 10.1-inch touchscreen, and an available Sonos premium sound system. The Subaru Forester focuses on practicality with durable materials, an available 11.6-inch touchscreen, and an optional Harman Kardon audio system. For cargo, the Q3 provides 23.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, while the Forester offers a more generous 27.5 cubic feet. In terms of safety, both the Audi Q3 and Subaru Forester consistently receive top ratings from organizations like NHTSA and EAS, offering advanced driver assistance features. The Forester typically provides better fuel economy, particularly with its available hybrid powertrains, making it a more economical choice for daily driving. Ultimately, your decision depends on whether you prioritize luxury and dynamic performance or rugged capability and value. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.